Since 1987, American Weldquip has been providing superior customer service and a uniquely designed line of high-quality MIG welding torches and consumables to some of the world's most discriminating welding facilities. At American Weldquip, we bring together customer service, engineering, manufacturing, and sales to help excel in our customer service efforts. Our reputation has been built on our engineering capability and our commitment to quality. Our tagline of service, quality, and solutions means something to every one of our employees. From precision CNC swift lathes, vertical mills, and other CNC multi-spindle turning centers, American Weldquip has made a huge investment in people and state-of-the-art equipment. Our commitment to manufacture as much as possible in-house gives us more control over the manufacturing process and stricter quality control measures. With the control of the manufacturing process, from CNC machine parts and consumables to the final torch production until the product is shipped out the door, ensures that our customers have a trouble-free product. We take great pride in the fact that most of our products are designed, engineered, and manufactured in-house at our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Sharon Center, Ohio. Our flexibility and customer service-driven company philosophy allows us to design, engineer, and manufacture special product with a fast turnaround time. Did you know American Weldquip ships 99% of standard product within 24 hours? Depending on the complexity, special products are manufactured and shipped within 5 days, with most products shipped within 24 to 36 hours. How's that for service? Can your current supplier do that? Our business philosophy has been to provide our customers with exceptional personalized customer service, innovative engineering solutions for tough welding applications, and an outstanding quality product. American Weldquip continues to develop, manufacture, and offer a diverse product offering. From a wide selection of semi-automatic, automatic, and robotic torches, robotic peripherals, our Quip Mist anti-spatter solution, to our unique line of welding consumables, including the HRT heat-resistant technology extended life contact tip, to our Quip Tip long life contact tip, we will continue to improve our designs and add new innovative products. Our commitment is to preserving our reputation as a high-quality manufacturer of MIG welding torches and components. We are always moving forward with the latest and most advanced manufacturing technologies so that we can fully commit to meeting the high-quality standards our customers expect. From quick delivery, even on specials, to assessing our customers' requirements and providing solutions to unique issues, we are committed to be there for you. Today, as always, American Weldquip remains flexible to the needs and requests of our customers. We are dedicated to working together with our distributor partners and end users so that we all remain competitive.